Hey collectors, here is a short video of how to vault out or disassemble your mini action Voltes 5 from Action Toys. Voltes 5 is the most popular anime and robot here in the Philippines, to the point that the other cartoons and anime dealing with robots are often called Voltes 5 too. And for size comparison, a little refresher, Voltes 5 stands around 6 inches tall. And here he is with the Justice League Superman from Mafex and the SH Figure Arts, the Dark Knight Batman. First, do not attempt to simulate what you see in the cartoons when you are vaulting out or disassembling the robot. First, hold both of his arms, spread it so you would have a tight grip for the cruiser one, and then hold it at the side and then tug and pull. Remember, this is made of plastic. If it doesn't budge, use a heater to soften up the plastic of the toy, for the risk that it will break if you force it. To remove the bomber, which is his arms, raise it so that you can grip the shoulder panels, and then hold it on the side of the panzer so you will have a good grip to pull out the bomber. Remember, these are both plastic. So if it doesn't budge, do not force it or you will break the toy. For the Panzer and Frigate to disassemble, grip or handle it at the side, the same thing with the Frigate, and then tug and pull slowly. These parts are also held by friction, so be very careful when you are pulling them. And to separate the frigate from the lander, hold one leg at the side and gently pull out the lander. Remember, take a good grip. And be careful of this antenna because it's so thin that you might squeeze it and break it. Again, if it doesn't budge, do not force it or you will break this toy. In case the landing gear of the frigate extends, I suggest that you handle it from that part, the one which is extended, and then from there tug and pull the lander from the frigate connection. Remember, there are different slots in each of the foot of Voltes 5, so be careful how you handle them. Here are the vehicles after being disassembled. Transforming them into the alternate form, I suggest you read the manual. And be careful of this peg. It's very hard to insert to the hole at the bottom of the nape to form the cruiser ship, and also inserting it in the hole for the bomber is hard. Somehow this peg is a little bit bigger, so be careful when you are combining Voltes 5. And with that, thank you all for watching. See you all again next video.